Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how we like to brew our new coffee from Timor-Leste and the Daurfusu farmer group. This coffee is super delicious and clean, so I wanted to highlight those notes by brewing it on the Origami. I'm going to be using a flat bottom filter, and this is going to give us a more even brew, and the Origami is going to give us a faster drawdown, which is going to highlight some of those floral and juicy characteristics. To start, I'm using 17 grams of coffee ground around medium coarse. This is a little coarser than usual because this coffee extracts pretty easily, so I'm going to try and keep the bitterness down. I'm going to be pairing that with 290 grams of water, which is going to give us roughly a 1 to 17 gram brew ratio. I also have my kettle set at 91 degrees Celsius, and this is again to help bring down that bitterness and highlight those juicy notes. So to start, we're going to do a bloom of 55 grams of water, and we're going to let this sit for 45 seconds. Our second pour is going to be at 45 seconds, and we're going to fill the brewer up into 180 grams. Our final pour at 1 minute and 20 seconds is going to bring us up to our total brew weight of 290 grams. This coffee should draw down in about 3 minutes, a little before. If you grind too fine and over extract this coffee, it brews in about 330. You're going to get a lot more bitterness. And again, we're trying to bring that down, so I recommend aiming on the coarser side. When you extract this coffee really well, you're gonna get a ton of juiciness, a ton of kind of melon notes. We got cantaloupe, we got pomegranate, and a nice sweet finish like marzipan. If you wanna try this really easy brew method for yourself, be sure to pick up our coffee. You can grab it on our website or in store, and hope you enjoy.